A cruise ship feeds thousands of people every single day. So how does the food stay fresh? Multi-deck refrigerated storage holds everything from produce to proteins at precise temperatures. Blast chillers cool hot food in under 90 minutes to lock in freshness. And fruits are loaded in stages. Some ripe on day 1 and some deliberately green to be perfect by day 7. The provisioning operation behind a cruise ship is more sophisticated than most 5-star restaurants on land. What's one cruise mystery you'd like us to explain next?